Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download ESPN on your Samsung Smart TV. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step process on how to install ESPN on your Samsung TV. First thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control, and down at the home bar, you're going to want to hit the home button to bring up this menu here. Your TV may look a little bit different. Every Samsung year they change a few things around. This one here is white around here. Yours might be a darker color, but the navigation is pretty much the same on all the Samsung TVs that are newer. So go over here to where the magnifying glass is that says search, and then click on that. And then you're going to want to type in ESPN. Okay, once you type in ESPN, go ahead and click on up, and you'll see that it's right there, but we're going to go right there where it says apps, just so that you know that it is an actual ESPN app, and then click on that. You'll see that it starts to load and install. Okay, and then now we have ESPN on our Samsung Smart TV. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.